Sniper team here, and today I'm bringing you guys a brand new tutorial video showing you guys how to get to documents. Read those if you have any questions, talk about premium, and we're going to enter some trades and talk some strategies. I highly encourage that you guys check out premium, give it a try. It's very essential for max protection when sniping meme coins. You can simply launch the sniper by clicking launch sniper here, and it'll bring us directly to the sniper dashboard. So as you can see here, there are 3 tabs. You have your wallet tab, buy, sell settings, and safety. Basically, your wallet tabs where we are going to create a key/wallet address for you. And you will be able to just simply click copy address right here. It'll copy your address, and you can just paste that in your crypto wallet to send Solana to your Soul Sniper wallet. And obviously, as for the private key, you can copy that and import it into the crypto wallet of your choice. Once you do, go ahead and send some Sol to your address. You'll be prompted to wrap it. You can do so. And then your screen will look like this, and you'll have the option to wrap or unwrap again and refresh your balance. Now, as you guys can see, I do have a green box down here telling me I have an active premium subscription. If you guys don't have premium, you obviously won't see this. As for our buy sell settings, these are the settings I'm going to be using for the first trade in this video. Feel free to pause, whatever. And now guys, please do note, this is in no means financial nor investment advice. Please do your own research before participating in any snipes or trades. Trial your own settings. Once again, this is not financial or investment advice. As you can see, I have my amounts, slippage, take profit, etc. I won't be using trailing stop loss, but you guys, if you know how to, feel free to toggle that box. And as for RPC, if you have one, you can put the endpoints here. I won't be using one for this video, but it is an option. As for safety, so obviously I have the premium safety settings. As you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and take the graduated from Pump.fun option. This is only an option for our premium members as of now, which is another reason you guys need to go ahead and lock in with premium. But everything below that is completely free. These are premium. I do highly recommend that you use freeze and mint authority renounced toggle boxes, as this will avoid you getting to tokens that are freezable or mintable, which is really important because obviously nobody wants to buy a frozen token. So you guys can go to the site yourself, check out what these are, but it is pretty self-explanatory. And yeah, guys, so we're going to go ahead and click this button right here and run the bot. And as you guys can see, we've started sniping Pump.fun migrators from PumpSwap according to my settings. And I'll get back to you guys when we're in a trade. And bang, guys, just like that, we are in a trade here. As you can see, we skipped over tokens that didn't graduate. And now we are in a trade right now, guys. And as you can see the chart here, we have our profit. And so yeah, here we are riding this trade right here, you guys. And boom, multiple buy orders coming in. We are up 12.5%. 13%, guys, 19.9, and bang, our take profit was reached and we are out that quick, guys. I mean, it's just amazing, guys, what this bot can do for you. And as you saw there, it took us, what, a few minutes to snipe into a token, and boom, 25% profit, just like that, within 45 seconds, guys. 45 seconds. If that doesn't encourage you guys to hop on Soul Sniper, I don't know what does. And now we're going to go and find another trade, guys. Let's lock in.
Alright guys, so OBS did glitch out, but I do want to show you guys the trades we ended up getting into. So the second time around, we actually just sniped into 2 tokens at once and hit both of our take profits. So I want to show you guys transaction logs, even though I missed the chart recording. As you guys can see here, it was a bit of a roller coaster, but here we got in on a token. We actually got in right before a spike, and our take profit reached immediately. As you can see there, we hit it in 1.7 seconds. Scroll up, and we hit the take profit on the second token as well after about a few minutes. So I had, because of that error and the recording messing up there, I did want to show you guys the transactions, but we're also going to do one more trade this video, and then we'll have to wrap it up, guys. But I just want to continue to show you guys Soul Sniper's worth in this tutorial video and show you guys how to use the bot. So I'll be right back with you boys once again when we enter another trade. Bang, guys, there was another trade. I know that was fast. I clicked record as soon as we got into it, but our take profit reached immediately. I mean, that took 13 seconds. And also I did lower the take profit to 10% for sake of the video length, but I had it at 10 and we took it out at 18. I mean, you cannot go wrong with that, guys. But I do think that those 4 trades are going to go ahead and conclude the video tonight. One more thing, though, I do want to touch on before we wrap up is in the bot, as you can see at the bottom, you have a Twitter, Discord, and Telegram. Those are our 3 platforms. We'd love to have you guys on each and every single one of those. So when on the sniping website, you know, make sure you check out the bottom right. And we'd love to have you in any of those servers, if not all of them. So please come and join us, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and keep on sniping.